If Avowed is crashing during the compiling shaders or generating shaders process, it could be related to issues with your graphics drivers, system configurations, or even shader cache corruption. Here are several steps to help resolve the issue. 1. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are often the cause of issues with shaders in modern games. NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience, or visit the NVIDIA website. Check for updates and install the latest driver for your GPU. AMD, open Radeon software or visit the AMD website. Check for driver updates and install the latest version. Intel, visit the Intel driver support page to get the latest drivers for Intel integrated graphics. After updating, restart your PC and try running the game again. Lower graphics settings during shader compilation. If the game keeps crashing during shader compilation, lowering some of the in-game graphics settings can reduce the load while shaders are being generated. Before launching the game, try setting the graphics to lower settings or windowed mode. Once you can get past the shader compilation stage, you can adjust settings back to your preferred ones. Check for background programs conflicts. Some background applications, particularly screen recording software, overlay programs like Discord, or antivirus software can interfere with the game. Try disabling any unnecessary background programs or running the game in a clean boot state. Press Win+R, type emsconfig, and press Enter. Under the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services and then click Disable All. Under the Startup tab, click Open Task Manager and disable any unnecessary startup programs. Restart your computer and try running the game. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, you can try reinstalling Avowed to fix any deeper issues with the installation. Uninstall the game through Steam or Epic Games. Restart your computer. Reinstall the game and try launching it again. If you've tried these methods and are still experiencing issues, let me know, and we can try some additional troubleshooting steps.